Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another data entry non-phone work from home job lead for you. The company is Conduent. They have been featured multiple times on this channel before. They are in multiple different industries. They work with over 100 companies and 500 government agencies, so they are always hiring for data entry or different types of positions, and they often hire with not really much experience at all. Now, they do pay a little bit lower on the pay scale because of that, but this one is remote for my United States folks only. They are looking for someone to work afternoon, evening hours. So that second shift, 3 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. They do pay $14.50 an hour. But for this position, they're looking for someone to receive, process, and ensure document classifications are completed and transmitted to clients. So you'll receive documents, both electronic and hard copy forms for processing. You'll sort, you'll image the documents, files, and archive by form type. So you're basically sorting through these documents and classifying them with a file type. You'll identify documents and their purpose, creating a database of information. Of course, you'll classify those documents based on client and contract requirements. You'll verify the data from automated data extraction tools, and you'll ensure that these documents get processed and transmitted to the appropriate next level. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone who has the ability to perform analytical and operational processes. It says this is entry level. You'll need basic skills in a range of processes, procedures, and systems. You'll need to be able to problem solve and be able to work with a close degree of supervision. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.